everyone, OMG Ona here, and today I'm gonna be listening for the first time to Rive's first album that just came out at midnight. I was out and I just got home, so I'm gonna do that. But I will not I will not react to all the songs in the album just because I have listened to them before and reacted to them in the channel. So I'm gonna watch, there's a lyric video for all of them, but I'm gonna be reacting to the new song. So there's Hakbang, Pangkalawakan, Panaginip na lang, and Paano Kung. And I just realized the three new songs, they all start with the letter P. I don't know if that means anything, but that's what it is. Anyway, I'm gonna listen to Hakbang first, which I already saw live and I saw them perform it, but I just want to listen to it again. It's a new song technically, so okay. I'm just watching it on my phone. So 3, 2, 1, I go. So excited. I love this song so much. Oh, I love that they put the name. Bigyan lang natin umikot ang mundo. Oh, oh, oh. Darating sa'yo. Oh, oh, oh. I'm just gonna sing this now. Na ang gabi. It's so weird because I heard this live first. Okay. I'm so sorry, it's very hot. I turned off the AC. Teka lang. Muna lang. Kasama mo nga abutin, hangarin mo na bituin. Kaya sumama ka na tiwala ng pamba. Pwede bang kumalmala? Pwede bang kumalmala? Ganyan talaga maaari. Bigyan lang natin umikot ang mundo. Oh, oh, oh. It's so hot in here though. Oh, oh. Madali, sulitin ng gabi. Nangungulang ang paa namin bawat sandali. Umikot ang mundo. Oh, oh, oh. Araw ay darating sa'yo. Oh, oh, oh. It's so good. I love this song so much. And Rusu and Ishii composed it. So. Paspasan mo, siguraduhin lang ang hakbang kung saan patungo. Unahan, sa dulo, basta't hinay-hinay lang. Pogi niya si Doon. Kumapit ka lang, at kaya ng puso mo. Hindi kami kakalma. Isipan mo. Kumalmala. Ang init, mami. Kumatagal makuha. Hindi ko na kaya. Mag-aircon ako. Sorry. Yan lang natin. Umikot ang mundo. Oh, oh, oh. Araw ay darating sa'yo. Oh, oh, oh. Mas madali, sulitin ng gabi. Walang paarahin bawat sandali. I really like Dre's part. Oh, oh, oh. Araw ay darating sa'yo. Oh. This song is so good. I have no words. It's just so good. Unang Hakbang, Rive first album. I love it. I may dance break nga pala. I like it. And like how they spelled Hakbang. Like may line na pag ganon. It's like it goes back to where it started. Pasando, siguraduhin lang ang hakbang kung saan patungo. I love it! That's like the perfect title track. Oh my gosh, there's more? Wait. No, that's it. I really I really love Hakbang. So the first time I heard it was during Sulong, when they performed it there, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's so good. I refused to listen to it before when they performed it during Maki's concert, and I was like, no, I have to react to this song, right? When it comes out. But then I watched Sulong and it was right in front of me. I couldn't, not listen to it. So there you go. And then I watched it on ASAP when they did that too. So it was live again. And they did so well. I really love the song. Like the first time I heard it, I was teary-eyed because the lyrics were so good. It's like, it's okay, parang kahit di mo alam yung no. Na hinay-hinay lang, kalma ka lang, for someone like me who's like always, everything's so dramatic for me, like I feel so much. Parang sige, hinay-hinay lang, it's okay, makakarating ka rin doon. As long as you know where you're going, though. Right? And parang sobrang perfect niya sa concept ng Rive na yung may destination, you go different places, ganun will take you there kind of thing. So, Hakbang is so good. I really love this song. I hope that more people listen to it because it's amazing. Anyway, where am I now? Ano yung sunod dun? Pangkalawakan? Okay, let's do Pangkalawakan. Where are you? I was so excited. So these songs I have not heard. Like, I heard the samplers for them, but I hope the AC is not too loud. But it's just so hot, guys. I cannot. Anyway, like, nagpa-fog yung salamin ko, oh. Anyway, Pangkalawakan. I'm so excited! Wait, sino sumulat ng Pangkalawakan? Si Russo din ba? I don't know. I forgot. Si Russo din? Tama ba? No. Is this Russo? Or is it Jeremy? I forgot. Anyway, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. Okay. Wait lang.
Nasa papawid na naman ba ang iyong isipan? Sasamahan ka't papawin ng iyong pagkabahala. Girl, let me take it off you and sabihin shining armor. I'm always yearning for that smile. Di ka din yung mga mata na bibigyan ng puso. Kahit inumaga na sa
Ganda, mami.
You're the one I've been thinking about. Girl, you're the one the world spins around. Walang makakailan. Sabi mo sa'kin kahit ano igagawa.
Gusto ko magburang. Ang galing. Oh my god!
Kahit anong oras, kahit saan ka man pupuntahan. At kung ika'y lalapit-lapit aking hahakan. At kung
Gogi, ang sweet! Ayoko na!
sasaktan ang panahong sasayang. Araw-araw kang pipili.
I think this is the Jeremy song.
Sa Pangkalawakan.
Tunog Jeremy eh.
Di mo ba napapansin ko'y nandito hanggang sa uli? Di lang basta pagtingin, mananatili sa iyong piling. Ano pa bang kailangan?
I'm so happy. They get such good songs.
As long as you're mine, it's fine. Don't have to worry about it. Di ka din yung mga mata na bibiganing mga puso. Kahit inumaga na sa kakaisip sa ating paraiso. You're the one I've been thinking about. Girl, you're the one my world spins around.
I like that part.
Makakailan. Tunay na ang
This part. Wakan! So good!
sa'kin kahit ano igagawin. Ang kalawakan.
Has!
Kahit anong oras, kahit saan ka man pupuntahan.
Kahit anong oras kayo saan ka man pupuntahan.
Lapit aking hahagan. At kung ika'y mapapasakin, di
Ang ganda, mami!
panahon sasayangin. Araw-araw kang pipili. Ang tawirin sa Pangkalawakan.
This part! I don't know if it reminds me of something or just like touches my heart in like a way, I don't know. Wakan! That part!
Kahit anong oras, kahit saan ka man pupuntahan. At kung ika'y lalapit-lapit aking
Ama na kayo! Masyado kayo magaling kumanta, mami! Ano ba?
di masasaktan. Ang panahong sasayangin. Araw-araw kang pipili.
I'm so happy that I have songs to stream now. Shucks, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Teka lang. I just want to confirm if this is the Jeremy. It is the Jeremy song. I knew it. I knew it. Like, it sounds like Jeremy. I always like Jeremy songs. Not just for Rive, but for, you know, other stuff, other groups or singers. Like his composing is just so good. Gosh, the part that goes Pangkalawakan. Tapos sobrang sweet ng lyrics, mommy. Ba't ganun? Tapos, like, well, for Rive, we've always had, like, dance songs, right? We got Hollywood, and then, Señorita medyo mabagal. That's why I like Señorita. I'm mabagal, okay? Like, sobrang mabagal akong tao. So, I guess sa type ko sa songs, mabagal din. And it's not like very, very ballad, but it's slower. So, that's the thing, right? When you go slower, you notice more things. And with songs, I feel like if it's a slower song, you hear their voices more. Like, you appreciate like how good their voices are. Like, especially here, you know, kasi pag dance performance siya, medyo nag-focus ka sa dance, which is yung bias ko dancer. So, like, I'm so into, like, whatever Dre's doing when he dances. But, like, when they sing, it's so nice because they have such good voices, too. You know? Salamat, Jeremy and Alas, for this song. Oh my gosh, it's already playing in my head. It's going like, Pangkalawakan. Shucks! I'm so happy to have, like, more songs to listen to. Okay, Panaginip na lang. This one, the members all wrote their rap parts, I believe. So there's gonna be like some rapping in here, which I'm like really interested in listening to. I like rap when the lyrics are good and like the rhymes are just, you know, placado. Brought by DJ MOD. So yay. Let's see. I'm excited to hear what this is like. Panaginip na lang. 3, 2, 1, go. So happy that they gave us like lyric videos because I like looking at lyrics as I listen to things. Shucks! Sandali lang. Ay, mga ganito talaga. Yung mga sobrang simple. Like the words that you hear every day kind of lyrics, yun yung mas tinatamaan ako. Like, come on, musta, nandito ka pala. Look, tinamaan agad sa ante. Like, why? Tapos si Dre pa yun. Mami! Wait lang, ulit. I'm so sorry. Go. Shucks! Narinig ko yata yung mga kapitbahay ko.
Musta, nandito ka pala.
Kesaya na ako! Sorry.
Taon na rin hindi nakita. Anong sasabihin, di alam.
Kinikilig ako, bakit?
Ang iyong mga ngiti saan ko hanapin. Bigla akong naaalala.
Ang ganda ng boses!
Ako lang at ikaw, gabi hanggang
Kaya ako, ganda ng mga kanta! Salamat sa pagbigay sa Rive ng mga kantang to! Wow, I'm so happy I have new songs to listen to.
at saya. Hindi na babalik sa dating panahon. Masasayang oras iniwan na pahapon. Langit ang saya, hindi sa iyong mukha. Panaginip lang pala.
Aww! Shucks!
Ilang pangarap pa ba? Ilang pigil pa ng mata. Matapos ang panahon, di na
Shucks, Ruto, huwag kang magluluwis, mami. Shucks. Oh! The lyrics, pero silang sulat nung part na yun. Kasi, wala si Mimpi punta ako, naiyak ako. Ano daw? Shucks, teka nga, ulitin ko yung anong na. Ang ganda ng lyrics. Sikitan ng mata.
Matapos ang panahon, di na makita.
Hindi tayong kwento, hindi tayong tula. Ang aklat, hindi tayo sinulat. Mami, bakit?
Bigla akong naaalala, lagi tayong magkasama. Ako lang at ikaw, gabi hanggang umaga. Kulang ang oras paggawa ng kanta.
Shucks. As someone who writes, I totally feel that. You know, like everything, you write it down. Because you can't let it go unless you write it down. Ang ganda.
Panaginip na nakakasabit, di na makapagantay, mga mata ipikit at makasama ka sa bawat saglit, pipiliin makapiling kahit nasa aking isipan. Di na kakayanin pasang araw, di ka
Oh my God!
di na hiling na makagising pa, lahat ng ito ay panaginip. Hindi na babalik sa
Dating panahon.
masasayang mo sa siniwan ng kahapon. Langit ang saya, hindi sa iyong mukha, panaginip lang pala.
Ganda! Salamat po!
Di na babalik sa
Paano ba ako matutulog nito? It's like what? 1:30? May pupuntahan pa ako bukas? Mamaya? Pwede ako matulog. Ang mukha. Ang ganda. Shucks. Nahirapan na ako pumili ngayon kasi nung una, dun sa sampler, actually, nirelease pa lang yung title. I was like, okay, I think my song's gonna be Paano Kung. Kasi siya yung parang title pa lang, parang ang sakit na, di ba? So yun talaga yung sasabi ko na yung song na makapagpasabi sa'yo na order po ng sisig sa table 5. Tapos to naman si Russo talagang ganyan-ganyan pa siya bago lumabas yung sampler. So sabi ko, ay, ito na yung masakit na kanta. Na sobrang antagal ko nang hinihintay. Kailangan ko ng kantang masakit, yung kakantahin mo sa karaoke. And you're like, sakit! Kahit di ka naman nakipag-break, ganun yung masakit, di ba? And I was so sure, like even after lumabas yung sampler, I was like, shucks, ito talaga yun. This is my song from this album. It's Paano Kung. But my gosh, ngayon like pangkalawa ka na so good. Panaginip na lang is so good. Like, oh my gosh, they're already playing in my head. Okay? Like, that's how catchy they are. Shucks, Paano Kung. Paano Kung, wow. Pero alam mo, sobrang happy ko na ang ganda nitong mga songs na binigay sa kanila or sinulat nila, kasi a lot of these songs are written by the members or they participated in composing the songs. So, ang ganda. Parang nakaka-touch na, alam mo, binigay nyo to sa isang new group. You know, nakaka-debut lang. Tapos binigay nyo to para sa first album nila. Like, that's such a good start. And it makes so much sense why it's called Unang Hakbang. Because it's their first step out into the world. This is like, these are the songs that the people are gonna listen to, and they're gonna say, oh, this is how Rive sounds like. And I feel like this is such a good start for people to know Rive. This is such good music for them to know Rive. Like, my gosh, may paano kung hindi ko kaya, mami? Okay, ito na. OA, no oras na eh. 3, 2, 1, go. Shucks! Si OA, wala. Intro pa lang. Ang sakit na, mami. Pa-order po ng sisig sa table 5.
Walang gabi nang nakatulala at di na makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo.
Turner.
Mga
Ay, shucks.
damitan dito pa
Uy!
at hindi malimot-limot ang mga
Di ba? Mas narinig yung boses nila pag mabagal.
magkasama tayo maipag
Russo, ama ka na!
sakali kaya pang umahon at
This is a Russo and Ishiro song again.
ayon mga kamay ng oras ay mapipili
Matthew!
kita.
So, ang galing ni Matthew.
Pero paano kung tayo para sa isa't
Wait, love. Ito yung sinasabi ni Matthew na may pa-adlib daw. Si Matthew pa nagsabi noon. I think it was like during the Matthew picks na namili siya ng kanta. Tama ba? Si Matthew pa nagsabi noon. Naghalo-halo na sa utak ko. But I think it was Matthew who said that. But, do you hear that? Matthew was already good with his like solo parts. And then as he sings, and then Matthew comes along, it's like, what the?
Magkasama tayo.
Ay, umulit ako ng sobrang layo. Okay lang.
Sakali kaya pang umauna, maayos kahit di sang-ayon.
Ang ganda ng rhyming, ma'am.
Mapipili
Not you.
kita. Pero paano ko
Yung sisig po.
tayo para sa isa't isa. At kung nagawa mo, ilaban ang para sa ating dalawa. Paano kung tayo talaga magkasabay,
Sandali niyo. Hindi ako nakafocus. Shucks naman kasi Mati. Sobrang galing, mami. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko alam sa ako na kuya, mami na yun.
tayo naglalakad magkasabay, magkahawak ang mga kamay, pagkat tayong dalawa ang tanging pahinga. Pagbibigyan pa ba ng sandali, di na kaya pa na magbalik, di hahayaan sarili
Grabe, asi going off.
Pabalik pa ang
Awa ka na.
kahapon at kakayanin ang umausa.
Dre Russo. Come on. Sino yung nag-uursa? Matthew talaga tong part na to, no? Sobrang bagay kay Matthew.
Bakit na?
Ang sakit nito sa live.
Paano kung tayo para sa
Shucks! Di naman ako nakipag-break. Bakit ganun? Yung sisig ko.
at kung nagawa mo, ilaban
Ang sakit.
para sa ating dalawa. Paano
Ishi muso. Come on. Ganda, mami. I'm so happy. This is what I wanted. Sana kantayin ko sa launch. Gusto ko itong marinig na live. But this is Matthew's song. Matthew, may pinagdadaanan ka pa. Paano ko? Shucks. I love how it says, paano kung. Kasi ganyan yung utak mo di ba? What if? Like, you just keep repeating that in your head. Tayo talaga. Hindi tayo na. Mami, it's so good. Ayoko na. Shucks. Gagi, paano na? Anong oras na? Paano na lang? Mag-i-stream pa ako. Ang ganda. Alam mo yung, nung napahinga ko yung sampler, sabi ko, ang ganda. Like, they sound very good, you know? But I'm a lyrics girly. And the lyrics to these songs, in addition to what we already heard, like, Hollywood, Señorita, Ulala, diba? Tapos Don't Make Me Hate You and Color, Clash. Andito sa album na to. They're all so good. Okay, as a lyrics girly. Ito kasi yung ano ko na I'm a K-pop fan. Okay? Well, mostly just Super Junior now. But yun yung una kong like pag-fangirl. And that's the music that I listened to growing up. Tapos, when I discovered P-pop, technically through Dre, yung talagang malala akong nag-P-pop. What really made me want to listen to P-pop was the lyrics. Specifically Kundi Man by BGYO. And sobrang, I mean, as someone who lives abroad, who don't hear a lot of Tagalog anymore, sobrang binalik niya ako sa language ko, sa native tongue ko, na parang, this is what I've been missing, kind of thing. Because like, sa Canada, like everybody speaks English. and I've been listening to K-pop. So I have not been listening to a lot of Tagalog songs. But then I got into P-pop and I was like, gosh, ganito kaganda pala yung language ko. And you can do so much with the Filipino language. And it hits you so much more than anything else as a Filipino. Kasi hindi mo siya kailangan i-translate. Alam ng puso mo kung ano yung kanta. Pag narinig mo yung kanta, nakita mo yung lyrics, napakinggan mo yung lyrics, tatama agad siya sa'yo. Hindi mo siya kailangan i-translate. Like, I understand Korean, I learned it. You know? So, I understand the Korean songs. But my brain still has to translate that. But Tagalog songs, I don't have to. Pagkarinig ko pa lang dyan, alam ko na kung ano ibig sabihin. Tumatama na siya kaagad. And I'm so glad that most of their songs are in Tagalog. It's a good start, you know, since P-pop group naman sila. And the songs are so good. And they wrote their songs, you know, not all of it, but I always appreciate that when the members write their own songs, because then it's their story. They like their songs and they would be able to sing the songs in a way that nobody else could. Kasi pinanganak nila yung kanta, sila sumulat. So I really appreciate that with Drive. And the songs are so darn good. Oh gosh. I don't know kung ano yung gusto ko. Like, top song ko sa album na to. Kasi Señorita Girly pa rin ako. Pero, I expected Paano Kung to be my favorite song. And it delivered. It's very good. I really appreciate like their voices. Like I said earlier, when it's lower, you can hear their voices more. Pero this is Matthew's song. This is Matthew's song. Gosh, yung mga parts ni Matthew, talagang, ang sakit. Bakit? May pinagdadaanan ka, be? Bakit ang sakit mo kumanta? Hindi ko maintindihan. But I think it's just his vocal tone. He's just, like, unang rinig ko pa lang kay Matthew kumanta sa Hollywood. I was like, yo, this kid can sing. So, good job. Good job to everyone. I really want to hear this live. Sana i-perform nila. Because, I mean, it's good. Like, sa ganito. But, mas malalagyan nila ng emotion when they sing it live. So, I'm excited for that. Sana meron. Paano kung ay live? Pero, I think, ang hirap though. Because I really love Hakbang. But, Pangkalawakan is so good too. You know what? I actually think right now, after listening to them, like for the first time, it can change later on. But I think my favorite is Panaginip na lang. I don't know why. Pero doon ako pinaka na ano, shucks, ang ganda rin ng Paano Kung eh. Di ko alam. Magde-decide na ako pag na-stream ko na, tapos napakinggan ko na ilang beses. But I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Rive, and to all the people who made this album possible, because it's a gift, you know, to have more new songs to listen to na maganda. Thank you. Kasi iba talaga yung tama pag may bago ka album na mapakinggan, tapos lahat ng kanta sa album maganda. Like, come on. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. But yeah, I think that's all from me. Shucks, makikinig na lang muna ulit ako. Anong oras na, mami? Ay, pupuntahan pa ako mamaya. Wala tulog-tulog. It's okay, you know? Like, we do this. But, congrats, boys! I'm so happy for you guys. Asirusu Matthew Day Ishiro. W-R-I-B-E, Rive. We arrived now. But, they're gonna have their album launch on tomorrow. January 17, Saturday at SM North. It's Annex Atrium. So make sure to register. You go to the SM online app and then you search Rive and it's gonna come up there. Tapos you just have to swipe, I think, yung ano para makakuha mo yung code, barcode na ano bibigyan ka ng registration. So you're all set. It's free admission, wala pong bayad. Go. Dalhin nyo na lahat, kapamilya nyo and everyone, friends. Kasi free naman siya. So, tapos mapapakinggan nyo itong mga kanta na to. Gaganda. Tapos makita nyo pa yung mga members ng Rive. And they're all very, very good, very talented, pogi. Tapos, mabait. Sobrang bait. Ayun, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to listen to all these songs. But yeah, that's all from me today. Let me know what you thought of Rive's album, like especially the new songs. Which one did you like? Which one's your favorite? Tell me all that in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.